Hi everybody, I'm Lindy, and today we're going to look at one of Proform's engine dress-up kit. We're going to look at the small block Chevy Black Crinkle, part number 141758. This is an officially licensed product. They use a 14-inch air cleaner. It'll fit both the 5 1/8 and 4 7/32 carbon necks. They use tall valve covers. Both are baffled. Both have grommets, and you do get one breather. These are the tall versions. They will fit over your roller rockers. They'll fit through 86 GM small blocks or any aftermarket heads with the perimeter bolt valve covers. The front cover fits through 93, and it does come with a premium seal. You get the bow tie red inlay clamps and wing nuts for the valve covers. You can get all the Proform product line from Motor State Distributing. You can order them on PriceGuidePro.com.